Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, here we'll be working on a Fiat 500 guys. So if you have a Fiat 500 and you're trying to disconnect your car battery guys, we'll explain what is the correct way. If you do not disconnect your car battery the correct way guys, you can burn the engine computer, you can burn fuses, and we've done that in the past. That's why we want to share guys the correct way to disconnect your car battery. Quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, including guys this Fiat 500, we make at least 200 to 300 free videos guys. Free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing that free information to you. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts or tools for your Fiat 500, check out the link in the description of the video below. We share all that for your convenience. So what we have here guys, we have a 2015 guys Fiat 500. That's what we'll be working on. Doesn't matter if it's Abarth, non-Abarth, doesn't matter what engine it is, we'll show you guys the correct way to disconnect your car battery. So this is your car battery. Once you open the hood, this is your car battery. You have two terminals guys. Okay, you need to find on the battery, it should say negative and positive. Okay, but usually guys, okay, this is the positive with the red and negative is the one with the black. You can see right here it says minus, that's negative. On this one here, okay, somewhere it's going to say positive guys. So now first thing guys, okay, use gloves because there is acid on that battery and you don't want that to get stuck on your fingers. And remove the negative terminal. This is the first step. Very important to remove the negative terminal first guys, so you can avoid burning your engine computer or anything like that. What we usually do, we get a glove and put it here underneath so the negative terminal cable does not touch the battery. Step number 2, disconnect the positive cable. Okay, so 10mm socket again, and we're going to go ahead and disconnect this one. Not too complicated. Okay, get another glove or a towel or something, put it there so that way it's not going to touch it's not going to contact guys, because otherwise you can burn the engine computer, which is right here. And first thing, you'll probably burn a fuse, but if you mess something up you can burn the engine computer as well. Now, so how do you guys connect it when you're ready? Okay, connecting guys the car battery, okay, it's exactly in reverse order. You're going to connect the positive cable first. Remember, we removed it second. Now we're going to connect it first, and then we're going to connect the negative cable guys. Okay, negative cable after that. As you can see, just like that. And removing, you disconnected, removing the negative first, positive second, connecting, installing the car battery. You're going to install the positive first and then the negative. If you guys need any specific repairs on Fiat 500, just let us know. As I said, we'll have more than probably 300 free repair videos. We have the 1.4 Abarth version and we have the non-Abarth as well. So we'll be making videos on both of them. We'll be showing you how to do timing belts replacements, engine replacements, quite a few things guys on that Fiat. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Again, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. All the tools and parts that we use, we'll share the link in the description of the video for your convenience. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and see you guys next time.